From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, Penn State. I am JP Tracey here with your Campus Weather Service Friday afternoon update. It's not quite a nice day out there right now. Partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s right now. Taking a live look at the golf courses, you can see it wouldn't be a bad day to be out there on the links. Temperature right now 66 degrees with a dew point of 63. So it's a little muggy, but not too bad out there right now. Winds south-southwest at 8 miles per hour. But if you take a drive down 322 to our friends in the capital city of Harrisburg, quite a different story. They're stuck in the clouds there with easterly winds. So not as nice in Harrisburg as it is here in Happy Valley. It's not too often that that's the case. But cloudy, temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s right now. In fact, 59 degrees in Harrisburg, dew point 56 with winds, those easterly winds at 9 miles per hour. Taking a look at temperatures across the Commonwealth, actually interesting story today. State College is the warm spot. Not too often we get to say that here at the Campus Weather Service, but yes, State College is the warm spot at 66. 63 in Johnstown, 53, so much cooler where that front is passed up in Erie, 60 in Pittsburgh, and it's much cooler for our friends in the east. Philadelphia stuck in the lower 50s at 54, and Allentown at 53. You see those blues on the map even denoting areas around 50 up in northeastern Pennsylvania. So much cooler across most of the state. Happy Valley, once again, the nicest place right now, 66 degrees and warming. Taking a look across the country, you'll see that cold front draped across parts of the east and the south. You can see it's much cooler as you get back into the Midwest and upper plains. 53 in Sioux Falls, and that colder air will be coming our way for the weekend once this front passes. You can actually get a good depiction of the front taking a look at the dew points right now. Like I said, when we were looking at the golf courses, kind of muggy here in State College. Dew point lower 60s, 63, 59 in Johnstown, but where that front has already gone through up in Erie, dew points are a lot lower, so it might feel a little nicer, even with those cooler temperatures. 42 dew point up in Erie, 43 in Franklin. But we expect these lower dew points to start moving our way over the next couple of hours, and should make for quite a nice day here in Happy Valley, especially because when these lower dew points move in, the clouds and shower chances will diminish. Taking a look at our radar right now, good depiction of that front actually on the radar. You see that thin line of rain starting to deteriorate as it makes its way into State College. Could see a sprinkle here and there, but nothing too intense. And once this line moves through, that will be it for our threat of rain today. We will remain dry and mostly sunny for the rest of the day. Very pleasant here in State College once it moves through. Taking a look at our Futurecast radar, the future radar has overdone that line of rain here. We don't expect it to be quite that intense. But once it moves through, as you can see, clouds clear out, maybe a few clouds around the ridgy areas, especially as you move towards Williamsport and move east from State College. But overall, quite a nice day here in Happy Valley. Clouds move out for the evening hours, and the temperatures will start to drop. Tonight could actually be quite cool here in State College. Tomorrow, though, clouds start to move back in, and we do get an increased chance for rain as we move into the day tomorrow, but we expect the heaviest and steadiest rain to remain to our south, down around Johnstown, Pittsburgh, and the Pennsylvania-Maryland line. Here in State College, maybe a few showers here and there, but overall, just clouds for tomorrow. So taking a look at the forecast for today, high temperature of 72 degrees. Might not get quite that high, but still a nice day, partly cloudy conditions. We should see those clouds diminish once the front moves through. But like I said, tonight, after that front has moved through, some clouds around and a low of 45. So if you're going out tonight, definitely going to need to break that jacket back out. Won't be quite as nice as some of the nights we've seen recently. Well, taking a look at the weekend, once that cold front moves through, that cooler air starts to build over the northeastern regions of the United States. State College seeing cooler temperatures. Like I said, as we move into the weekend, won't be quite as cool as some of those temperatures we saw in early March when it was downright cold to start March. Now that we're in later spring, cooler denotes temperatures usually in the 50s, upper 50s, right around 60. Speaking of this weekend, there's a football game going on in Happy Valley. Yes, the annual blue and white game is taking place this weekend here at Beaver Stadium. And taking a look at some previous years, we've kind of been streaky here with the blue and white game. 2011 to 2013 wasn't nice at all. We had rain and lower temperatures here for 2011, 2012. 2013, there was no rain, but it was downright cold with a temperature of 45 degrees during the game. That's quite cold for this time in April. That feels more like a November football game here in Happy Valley. And then more recently, the 3 years from 2014 2016 were really pleasant. We had sunny skies and temperatures in the 70s. Last year had that temperature 72. 2015, we almost made it to 80 for the blue and white game. So quite nice last 3 years. This year, we're expecting more of a hybrid of the two. It won't be quite as bad as those earlier years, but we won't expect anything quite as nice as we saw the last couple of years, unfortunately. 54 when you're tailgating out there at 12 p.m. Should warm up to about 60 for game time, so not too bad, kind of like an early October game. And here in Happy Valley, it'll feel more like football season, that's for sure. And then clouds increase as we move towards the evening hours. Once again, chance of a shower, 56 your temperature at around 6 p.m. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast once again. Like I said, this weekend, little cooler, 60 for the high on Sunday, but we should see mostly sunny skies as the clouds start to decrease from Saturday. Monday warming up, sunny to 62. Clouds move back in for Wednesday, high of 61. But once we move into the latter part of the work week next week, we'll see those temperatures start to rise once again. Our chances for showers increase, but take a look at Wednesday. 72 degrees on Wednesday, and then 75 on Thursday. And actually giving you a hint at next weekend, we could start to see temperatures flirt with the mid to upper 80s, believe it or not. We are watching that for you for next weekend, so stay tuned for that. It could be quite a nice weekend before finals, so you can get out, take that break before you take all your exams. Once again, I am JP Tracey for the Campus Weather Service. Have a great rest of your Friday.